Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you guys are crushing it out there, and I hope you have your coffee on deck. I really do, because listen, we got to break down Sofi in this video, which, by the way, it's up almost 3% on the day, and we also have to break down the indexes and maybe some other stocks later in the video. So, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Listen to this. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So check it out. Like I said, Sofi is up around 3% on the day. And guys, it looks like we're gunning for the highs from yesterday, at least as of now. And may I add, it's about 11 a.m. on the East Coast. You're probably watching this around 12 to 1 p.m. I forget exactly, or I don't know exactly when I'm going to release this video. But look, Sofi is looking phenomenal, does it not? Yesterday we hit $15.55 at the peak. That was at about 2 p.m. on the East Coast. Then we started to sell off. We sold off into close. We closed at about $15, so we got a healthy pullback into close, which, guys, clearly we held the moving averages on the 5-day, 5-minute in the aftermarket yesterday and in the pre-market today. And, well, the uptrend is continuing, right? So look, we got the big pop yesterday, followed by the sell-off into close, and with that, we held a higher low. You guys see it right there? Higher low, higher low. We've been making these distinct higher lows over the last couple of days, including this morning. You guys see it right here. We held another higher low this morning, and that's where we're bouncing off of right now. So this morning we opened up at around 1530, whatever it was. We got a pop to about 1550. We almost took the high out from yesterday. Then we got the sell-off and the consolidation and the choppiness around this moving average, both moving averages on the 5-day, and that's where we put in this higher low that you guys see right here. And now we're pushing, man. Now we're up over 3%. We're at $15.47. Guys, if I had to guess, man, by the time you're watching this video, we probably took out that high from yesterday, judging off the price action right now. And we also have, what is this? A cup and handle. Do you guys see it? We have the cup right here. The handle's forming. You know, we're heading towards that 1550, 1555 breakout spot. So, guys, we're looking good as we can get at this point, man. So I'm going to set my alert right now. I'll do 2 alerts. They might hit while we're making this video, honestly, but I'll do one at $15, or excuse me, $15. We're in the 15s now, guys. We're moving so fast, I'm forgetting where we are. So $15.50, I'll do one, and I'll do another one at maybe $15.60. So we'll have these pretty close. So $15.50 and $15.60. Mark is at or above. And yeah, guys, if this cup and handle plays out, if we do see that move, you know, we could be going a lot higher. It looks like that's what we're setting up for right now. And overall, you guys remember, we called out this ascending triangle. This is not news, but you guys see that. We called it out. It played out. We got the pullback yesterday into close. We held the higher low. Boom. Now we're on the verge of breaking out again. Guys, this looks great. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I mean, what more can I say at this point? We just keep on crushing it, and I'm in the stock. I'm sure a lot of you guys watching are in the stock. I'm curious where your average is. You don't have to tell me how many shares you own. I know that's private, but if you want to tell me your average, feel free down below in the comments. I'm in at $6.80, and each day it seems like we just keep on building on the gains. So I guess percentage-wise, I'm up ballpark range right now, about 125%. Unreal. And, now we're well in the 2021 range that we talked about. And there goes my alert. I knew it might hit there in the video. There we go. We just hit 1550. Now we're well in the range that we were in 2021, where we traded between 13, 14 as support with resistance in the mid-high or mid to low 20s, I would say, 23, 24, 25. So, yeah, man, we're looking phenomenal right now. We just hit my alert at 1550. We're up now 3.5%. Look at the breakout. I mean, look, we literally in real time called the breakout, the cup and handle. We called it out. That's looking beautiful right now. It's pushing the highs from yesterday. We're about to take them out any second now. And yeah, the whole stock market, man, is crushing it today as well. It's not just SoFi. We are up on the S&P. It's up around 0.3%. The Dow's up around 0.6 right now. The NASDAQ, which was red earlier this morning, now it's up around 0.1%. The Russell is crushing it. The best out of the bunch, up 1.2%, which did we not call out the small caps the other day? I mean, I told you guys, look, keep your eyes on IJR, which is a small cap ETF on the pullback, and that has rebounded quite nicely from 118 to 124. That's a nice 5% move off the low. We also were looking at, there's a bunch. I mean, you could name a bunch of small cap ETFs, but that is one that popped off the top of my head. I think it's from iShares, by BlackRock. So keep your eyes on that as the Russell continues to move here. In my opinion, I think the small cap index, the Russell 2000, is going to all-time highs. It's only a matter of time, guys. I don't know. I could be wrong, but it looks like that's where we're going. And IJR, I'm not telling you to go buy it. All I'm saying is you got to keep it on your watch list in the meantime, right? So, yeah, I mean, everything's in the green right now. We're looking really good. Other stocks moving are Tesla. TSLA is up another 4.5%. Looks like we're gunning for the highs now. We're about $8 away from that 362 high we hit about 10 days ago. And it looks like now the inverse head and shoulders here on the 30-minute is playing out. Pretty obvious there. You guys see that. So Tesla looks amazing on the charts. Would I necessarily buy it here? I don't know. Probably not. I think it's a bit overbought, but hey, it could potentially go higher. It really could, especially as we're getting towards the highs from around 10 days ago. So Tesla's moving. BBY's moving as well, which I think is interesting. Keep your eyes on that. It looks pretty good on this 1-year chart. You guys notice that? All we're waiting for now is the confirmation on BBY to continue to move there. CrowdStrike is moving. CRWD is the ticker. We're up another 2.3% today on CrowdStrike. Google, on the flip side, is selling off, though. You guys have probably seen what's been going on with Google, the DOJ, trying to break them up. And I think on Wednesday, a prosecutor was arguing they have to sell out of, or they have to sell Google Chrome. They got to share their data with all their competitors for the search engines. There's a lot going on. Excuse me, guys. A lot going on. So, yeah, Google, we are seeing a bit of... Oh, man, my friggin' nose is tingling, guys. I feel like I'm about to sneeze. I'm fighting it off, though. But, yeah, Google. Oh, man, here we go. Oh, my gosh, man. I can't remember the last time I sneezed on a video. That might be the first time. Hey. But, yeah, sorry about that, guys. Excuse me. Yeah, Google, there's fear right now. Are they going to get breaking up? This, that, whatever. So we are seeing some downside in their stock price. But for me, guys, I'm like, all right, I'm just going to buy more. I haven't bought more yet today. I'm probably going to wait till next week. But, yeah, I'm looking to add more Alphabet here in the 160s. If it comes down to the 150s again, I would consider that a gift. I mean, look, if you look at their PE ratio before this dump into the 160s, I think it was at a 22, a 23. The S&P's P ratio is higher than that. So I think Google is approaching a good value here. And the lower it gets, obviously, the better the value gets for me to buy long-term shares. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys, on, Google. Let me know your thoughts on Sofi. I'm actually very curious where your head's at. Join that email list if you haven't done so already. It's free, and I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. And don't forget to also get your free stocks for a Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. What are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.